weekend we are headed to it's a site that my company uses to host events, and we're cleaning it up in the meantime. It's Adams Ranch. It's in Frazier Park, California, and we're going to have an impromptu camping somewhat for people who don't normally. So we're in Frazier Park, California, which is in Ventura County. We're up in the mountains. We're about 4,000 feet up. It's really nice. And we're having a little teaching the city folks how to camp type thing, but we're on a ranch. I mean, it's a dilapidated ranch, as you can kind of see. But my company's helping fix the ranch, so it's something to do. And we're up here just having a little fun weekend out in the country, away from the city lights. The reason I'm walking out into the brush is because our friend Sam decided to walk away from us and inspect something out here.
I am Sam Oakenshield.
And we found Sam. He's not lost in a sea and eaten by a coyote or something. Firewoody things.
Yeah, I mean, these were perfectly cut because that tree was chopped down.
Oh.
I was mostly trying to find, like, if we might get lost stuff.
Yeah, Kristen thinks it went really far. Like, we're not going to find it if we walk in here.
We're also really far from neighbors. That's good too. This is not working. Go Sam! Go Sam! Go! Go Sam! Go Sam! Go! There we go. We just waited. Go! You're so close.
Good, it's good.
There are several things that I haven't got actively trapped.
That was a horrible night, only because it hurt my back so much that I can't bend over, and it took me longer than usual this morning to get dressed. Making my way to the back of the property now, but look at this, look at how pretty that is.
I think you got one more. Maybe one more.
Got it!
Hey!
Motherfucker!
Lift the gun up. Down is a horrible position for a shotgun.
Oh yeah, because of the scatter.
It will scatter. Right.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Oh man, that kid.
All kinds of tools. There it is. So this. Now everything that touches the powder is brass, because brass does not spark.
Okay, that's fun to know.
One spark,
And boom.
and this is a bomb. All right, this is called a powder measure. And you can see I'm putting in 30 grains. Doesn't matter what 30 grains means, it's a weight.
Mm-hmm.
And so what I do is put in 30 grains. Fall out. Okay, good. Put in a wad. Goes in like that. Half cock. Take this.
Oh.
In it goes. Now, it is not yet ready to fire. What you have to do is you find that cylinder, which is that one, take a percussion cap, which which are pretty much the same as your cap pins.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. This is a hair trigger.
Okay.
You so much as think about it and it's going to go off.
Okay.
So keep your finger up here until you're ready.
Wow, that's awesome!
A bit high.
I wasn't even.
I
That
know.
was a sensitive trigger.
It's a sensitive. You didn't
Oh
hear
my-
me when I told her.
Oh wow.
Oh, cool.
Try 'em.
Now you can see the size of the BBs that are in that shot.
Yeah.
There's about 200 of them that come out.
200 fucking.
It's for birds
Yeah.
and rabbits.
I had to metal rabbit.
You hit the metal rabbit.
Ooh, nice.
High and top.
Oh, nice.
You were just a little high. Very sensitive.
Yes. Caressing it will make it
Extremely
explode.
sensitive.
Yes. You see how sensitive that thing is? Yeah.
Boom!
You hit a can. All right. So this is an aperture sight. You see that little hole?
Yes.
Look through the hole. Across the top of that, whatever's sitting here is what you're going to hit.
Oh, holy
Fast
shit.
as you want.
Yeah, exactly.
Trying this.
Wow.
You dead, motherfucker.